happy day 22 of Vlogmas. I am up and I feel so much better. I am put together and I'm leaving my house. So I'm making Monroe her salad. I did some laundry this morning, just the putting away of laundry, which is the hardest part, arguably, of laundry, which is why so many people have a laundry couch. We do not. We just have it at the foot of our bed in the basket. Anyway, who cares? I am going to go to the store to get some needed groceries, but also today I wanted to try to make some yummy stuff. So here's what my thoughts are on that. I went on Pinterest and I found some recipes for like no-bake truffle kind of white chocolate balls that are then dipped in other things. I don't know what I'm talking about, but they look good. So I was thinking about making maybe 2 different kinds of those. One chocolate and then maybe 1 lemon. I don't know, maybe. They usually start with a cake and then the cake gets baked and then chopped up and mushed back together. But wait, that's not no bake then. But that's okay. I don't mind baking, just that's how they popped up a lot, was no bake. Anyway, gonna try that. And then fudge. The fantasy fudge, the easy peasy, nothing to it fudge, which is a lie because it involves mixing ingredients and therefore is not fail free. As we learned from my wreath experiment, failure is always a possibility. That still just cracks me up. Anyway, the dogs are barking at absolutely nothing. There's nothing. The garbage trucks came earlier, but they're not out there now. So I'm not sure what's happening, but gonna go do those things, grab some groceries, and then I will come back and show you what I'm gonna make. I'm wearing my Teachers Pay Teachers shirt. It's really big and baggy, but it's so comfy. It's one of those like super soft that I just love. Anyway, I'll show you also upstairs. I'm gonna go through some of my files where I keep some, I'd say just favorite recipes, but that's a lie. I keep all kinds of recipes in files that I've gotten from magazines or from online that sound good. And I'm gonna go through there really quick because there's one recipe for, we used to make these growing up. They're chocolate balls with the colored little baby marshmallows, and then you roll them in coconut, and they're so good. But they're only good if they're frozen, and you just pop them in your mouth out of the freezer, and Anyway, I'll take you up there and we'll look for that. Other than that, I'm gonna head out pretty soon. Hi, and welcome to the den. We're upstairs. I'm gonna look in my file for that recipe I was talking about. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time looking. I'm just gonna spend a little bit of time looking, and if I can't find it, I can't find it, and we're making something else. Okay, so this is, let me scoot the table so I can sit on it. This, ouch, sat on a box. So this is how I organize papers. I'm crazy, and now we all know. But anyway, cookies here. And of course they're ABC order. Why wouldn't they be? Cookies is where I think it might be. But see, I just have kept through the years all kinds of goodies, either typed out, people have given me, you know. So I am gonna go look really quick through here for my recipe. Well, that was a bummer. They were not in there. It was not in there. I'm wondering if What's this? Oh, craft ideas. Perhaps I should have looked for a good wreath idea. Oh my gosh, yesterday was a hoot. Winter holiday food ideas. No, that was a good idea, but it's not in there. It's fine. Oh, hold on, what's this? Cooking and entertaining at Christmas time. You have a file named that, right? No? Weird. Okay, I'm gonna look one more time. I found it. Yay! Oh, I love this job of trying to figure out what I've done with my life. Okay, so I am done here. I am so excited. Woo-hoo-hoo. See, I wasn't making that up. The file is called, what is it called? I can't read it backwards and upside down. Doesn't even matter. You can see it. Okay, good. Cooking and entertaining at Christmas time. Yes, of course it would be separate from other cookies. Duh. We also have Halloween, cooking and entertaining at Thanksgiving time, because that is something I don't do. Anyway, I do. That's a lie. I am now going to get ready to head out to the store. I also have another really good recipe. This one my mom used to make at Christmas, and she continued to make. I don't know if she's gonna do any cooking this year. Mom, are you watching? Are you gonna cook for us? Anyway, this is orange cookie balls. You take vanilla wafers, crush them up. I'll just tell you the players. We have margarine, which, butter. Well, I don't know. Does it matter? Maybe. Powdered sugar, frozen orange juice, nuts, which she used pecan, and you chop them all up, and coconut, and then you work it until it's like a paste almost. They're kind of dry. They're not super moist. And then you roll the balls of vanilla wafer, orange juice, butter, nuts into the powdered sugar. And then again, frozen is best. So yum. I'm gonna head out to the store with my recipes and also the ones I've got off of Pinterest. See you soon. So this is sadness. Okay, that's where the Chex cereal and Rice Krispies should be. Darn it. I'm back home and I'm gonna leave again because, it's so frustrating when stores don't have what I personally want. Really makes me upset. Anyway, I'm just gonna go check Target. I have a couple gift cards I wanna pick up and they didn't have them at Walmart. So I'm gonna try Target, but I just want to show you what happened at Walmart. I panicked and bought everything. I don't know. Here it is. What am I, like my own baking show? I don't know. I panicked. I bought several of everything. Not really. I mean, okay, really. Like they didn't have Rice Krispie treats, but here I am with 2 industrial size bags of marshmallows. But I am going to use some in that one chocolate ball recipe. I needed 1 condensed milk, but then I bought 2 because what if they run out? I needed 1 puffy, whatever this stuff is, marshmallow cream, but I bought 2 because what if I screw up? Oh my Lord. Anyway, so, also score the last box on the shelf of saltine crackers. They're not even name brand. I don't even care. They were just out of everything. So no, that's not true. They were not. They were absolutely not out of everything. They were just like really, really out of certain things that I really, really wanted. But that is why we are now getting back in the bus and going to Target. These are one of our favorite pizzas, the California Pizza Kitchen Barbecue Pizza. This, I don't understand. It is plant-based chicken. Plant-based chicken. Nope, not a thing. Well, Merry Christmas, Target. Wow. Oh, apparently we're done. I've added more. I'm not sure where I'm gonna live when my husband comes home and kills me. No, that's not gonna happen. Anyway, I didn't score big at Target. I feel like this is a game now. No one in the free world where I live has Rice Krispies cereal, certain kinds of Chex cereal, Vanilla Wafers. I found this one sad, lonely box. It was alone on a shelf, crumpled, scrooched all the way in the back. So I bought it because I am going to make something with Vanilla Wafers. Am I though? Because I put back the other things that went with it because they didn't have those. And wait for it, I really wanted the marshmallows of me, that were the flavored kind. But in order to have them, they're llamas and cactus. Nothing says ho, ho, ho like llamas and cactus in your goodies. Anyway, I'm going to have to chop them up because they're far too large. Anyway, that's what, I mean, come on. Nobody had stuff. So, today's vlog was cut short by shopping challenges. No, I might still bake something, but right now I'm going to start dinner, which is fun. I'm making one of my husband's favorites that they used to serve at Taco Bell, and it's called an enchilada, and I've never eaten one, but as I was looking through Pinterest, I found, well, okay, so what I was looking for on Pinterest was a copycat recipe for the Taco Bell, I don't know what they're called. They're little round donut balls. Oh my gosh. If you have not tried them, try them. They are amazing. They're filled with like custard or something. I got them accidentally once. It wasn't, well, okay, it wasn't planned. It wasn't also an accident because I ordered them. But they come in packages of either 2 or 6. So, of course, I got 6 because, you know, just figured I'd probably like them and I was going to share them with my husband. And they were delicious. So I had 3 of them and the other 3 sat on the counter and didn't get eaten. And I was super sad that I hadn't eaten them right up. But then I ordered them another time. I ate like 4 and the other 2 sat on the counter. Why am I telling you all this? No reason whatsoever. I am so slap happy today. So I was looking for a copycat recipe for those and came across enchiladas. So I'm just going to lay on the counter surrounded by baking goods. Anyway, that's what I'm making for dinner tonight. Don't know how they're going to taste. It's basically like an enchilada. I don't know. It doesn't look that much different. So will it taste like Taco Bell's? No, probably not. I'm using our favorite sauce. I'm not making mine from scratch. It is, what is it? Macayos. There we go. It's the Macayos. I usually get the green, but this was red sauce because that's what it called for. So doing that. And you put like refried beans and then the ground beef, and then you wrap them and then you put the cheese. It sounds like any enchilada I've ever had, but we'll see. So I'm going to start dinner in a few minutes. I'm not sad. I'm chopping onions. Does this happen to anybody else? Oh my gosh, my eyes are burning. There's the enchiladas. They look so good. There's the timer telling me they're done. They really didn't need the oven. All they needed was cooked on the stove, but I wanted to heat them all the way through again because husband's not going to be home for a little bit to eat. So now I'm going to take them out and put some tin foil over them and let them sit. So I have moved the baking goods into the living room on a card table. This is ridiculous. I'm a person who doesn't even bake. Anyway, that is the sitch, and I'm ready to go tomorrow. So I think I'm going to end the vlog here and just call it a day. If I decide to bake later tonight, well, I'll just include it in a vlog tomorrow. So I'm going to sign off for today. Thank you for joining me for Vlogmas Day 22, where I only shopped, but that's okay. Tomorrow we'll do more things, and also I got a command hook for that wreath. It's going on my front door. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again tomorrow. Goodbye.